15 minutes.
Yep, we have to wait.
You can't go to that.
Help.
Neither can I. Okay.
Did not follow you.
How about that? Okay, please. Yeah, we're throwing squishies at each other. This is how this challenge works. I have one hand. Give me a break. Avery is over here. And we are bored. So, we decided... I'm just pulling him around. I'm just pulling him around because... Yay! Oh god, it's hard to...
Help.
So hot!
I need to.
So hot! So hot, Avery. Do not touch it. It's going back up there. Wait, no, that makes good lighting.
Did you burn this one? Yep, we have to wait 14 more minutes.
We're seeing how long. Well, this is true because literally, we can see the timer on the camera.
Hi.
Avery, come on. We gotta wait for Avery. Okay. We're going to Avery's room because we're bored.
Oh, help.
We found a pair of handcuffs.
Yeah.
Wait, we can't use this hand, so how are we gonna hug Avery? You can't use that hand. Wait, so pretend that you don't have that hand. So hold on to my wrist. With this hand. If you can. Nope, that's not gonna work. Just hold on to the handcuff with that hand if you can. You can't slip out. That's the only rule. Okay, so how you're gonna...
Yep, 13 minutes on the clock. We gotta hug her like this.
I guess.
It feels so comfortable.
It is uncomfortable.
Help, help, help. Oh.
Oh.
Stop moving, please.
It's like cutting my wrist. He can squeeze out of this if he truly needs to. But I can't. And we kind of lost it. Okay, 1 second. I need to hold on.
And me.
Hey, Dalton. You know how these handcuffs use a key? I kind of lost the key. Yeah, so we're not getting out of these handcuffs. We're going to be like this one. Yeah, I lost the key to the handcuffs. We're going in Dalton's room. This is basically a tour of their house. I love your bed. Ow! Did that? I knew that broke something. Sure broke this. Let's pray that we can break the other one. Because So this just popped off the handcuff, but there was 2 of them. So we weren't lucky. Avery here. Avery, make a funny dance for the camera. I'm trying to hold it with my foot. Wait. Dalton, I need my arm. Okay. Stop doing that.
Okay.
I don't have. Oh, wait. Yeah, no, we're not going to do that. There we go. Yeah. Okay. Come on. Oh, that's sharp. Don't touch that. That's sharp.
Well, how much minutes?
Oh my god.
11
11 pointless minutes. So we were going to play school, but it looks like Avery's the teacher. Because,
I always think I can write, though, because this is my writing hand.
I can write too. Hey, Avery.
What?
Do you want to be the teacher real quick?
Yeah.
For 11 minutes?
Yes.
Okay, get down.
Help.
Okay, at least this is why I handcuffed, because I knew we were going to have to do this. Wow. Bad. Avery, you have to give me your notebook. So give me the purple one.
now we have 10 minutes.
It's cutting my skin. Ow. You're coming with me. Come on.
Guys, get your notebook.
1 minute,
Can
Avery.
someone hand me a pencil?
Yeah, we don't have anything to write with, dude. I turned on the air.
Outside. Where? Or you guys can use
18 years later.
What? Need some help opening this. But why is it locked? Where is something?
I just need to breathe there. So these don't require a key, but he has to stay in the handcuffs for like. Ooh. Oh my god, it's cutting into my skin.
Oh no, not again.
Avery, it's okay.
That's all we have for this week.
No, I gotta put it back on.
Oh, guys, I can't.
Avery, we'll fix it after this challenge.
I
Here,
know.
try that drawer. Try that drawer. Try that one.
I'm trying to open it, but
Why is it the... Come on, we're helping her.
it's
You have an older sister in college, I just found out this morning.
How?
Half sister in college. Ah.
It doesn't open.
Why? I opened it last time I was here. Why is it? Oh, it's like. Guys, I'm sorry. I have to take the handcuffs off. But I
Guys, just get that off of your hand.
okay. We're gonna end the video here. I know it's really short, and we should be here for 5 more minutes. But no, 4 more minutes. Avery, you can be here. Just scoot back. And so we are gonna take these handcuffs off.
More.
It's
Ah.
been 7 minutes.
It's hard.
Get it off.
It hurts so bad.
I know.
Look at me. I want to take it off, but I can't.
Yes, you can.
It's been an oof to me.
All right.
Thank you. Bye.